Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and one supplement that I have done a lot of research on and that I have found has amazing benefits is MSM, which is exactly the reason why I decided to get this MSM powder with OptiMSM by the brand Doctor's Best. And as I mentioned, this MSM comes in a powder form. So usually what I will do is I will take one scoop and I will pour it in a glass of water, or sometimes I prefer to pour it in a glass of vegetable juice. And I have been very satisfied with this supplement, and I am really looking forward to the amazing benefits that I have read that MSM has. And as you can see on the label, you can take up to 3 scoops, and you can also read a little bit more about these amazing benefits that MSM powder has. I feel like the fact that it comes in a powder is really helpful because you can drink it with juice and you cannot even taste the MSM, which I feel like is a really important factor whenever I'm taking a supplement. And that is my point of view.